In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, to whom we all have to turn big. Honourable listeners and respectable audience, you know that we have started a series of linguistics. In the previous lectures, we talk about the sounds of language, that how sounds are found. Like we talk about what is phonetics, what are the types of phonetics like articulatory phonetics, acoustic phonetics, and auditory phonetics. Similarly, we discussed the place of articulation, bilabial sounds, labiodental sounds, and dental sounds. Today, we are going to talk about what are alveolar sounds, how alveolar sounds are formed, and what are voiced and voiceless sounds in alveolar, as well as two methods I'm sharing with you to write these letters in the form of symbols. One method is known as broad transcription, and another method is known as narrow transcription. So be with me and listen to this lecture from beginning until end. Listeners and audience, alveolar sounds are those sounds which are formed with the front part of our tongue and alveolar ridge. I'm repeating. Alveolar sounds are those sounds which are formed with the front part of our tongue and alveolar ridge. Now, a question arises that what is alveolar ridge? Alveolar ridge is the hard and bony part behind, immediately behind our upper front teeth. So, how many sounds are formed by alveolar and by our upper front teeth? I'm just categorize them one by one. Let me write these sounds. The first one is T, the next one is T, the third one is Z, and the fourth one is N, and the fifth one is S. So these are sounds which are known as alveolar sounds. Why? Because these are formed, these are produced with the front part of our tongue and an alveolar ridge, which is a bony and hard and rough ridge immediately behind our front teeth or upper front teeth. Listeners and audience, now you should know that what are voiced sound and what are voiceless sound among these. So D, Z or Z and N, these three sounds, they are voiced sounds, and I told you the difference between voiced and voiceless sound. Voiced sounds are those which produced with a vibration in our vocal cords. On the other hand, voiceless sounds are those which are found and produced without vibration in our vocal cords. And T and S, these sounds, these are voiceless. There are other two sounds which are voice sounds, and they are also alveolars. The first one is known as R sound or raw sound, and the next one is known as L or long sound. Now, there are two methods which we use to write these letters or these sounds in the form of symbols. The first method is known as broad transcription. I told you about broad transcription. Broad transcription is a method where the sounds of a language, The sounds of a language are written between slashes. For example, T, T, Z sound. However, these are sufficient. Another is narrow transcription. Narrow transcription is a method where the sounds of a language are written between square brackets. For example, ta sound, d sound. So this is narrow transcription. However, narrow transcription is popular as compared to broad transcription. Remember 2 points in your mind. Keep 2 points in your mind. The first point is that I'm talking about, that is the sound. Like you see, raise. Here you see raise. So in this, there are 2 letters, but it produced just a single sound, and that is the sound. So I will say that it is the sound, raise. Here we will not say that it is raise, but it is raise. So here it will be pronounced as the sound. Another one is right. In right as well. So you see here in right, here va sound is not produced, just it starts from r sound. And I told you about such words and such letters that what we call digraph and trigraph. That digraph are those letters with the combination of them just a single sound produced. So those letters which produce a single sound, we call them digraph. And those sounds and letters, particularly we call them sound. Those letters with the combination of them which produce just a single sound, we call them trigraph. So here you see, here is trigraph because 2 letters and single sound. Here you also see yes, here particularly SE. So here SE produce the sound. So the combination of 2 letters which produce a single sound, we call them digraph. So listeners and audience, hope that this topic is clear to you. Thank you.